So, I'm going to change, well, actually the wife's going to change her tire here. It's actually pretty worn out, pretty dead. Doesn't look so good. And it's got some bad wear spots on here for some reason. I don't know if it was the tire, but here's the one we're going to be putting on. A lot more tread. It is brand new. Actually, I found this at the dump, and it looks fine. I'll stick it on, or the wife will stick it on. Same size. So let us get to this. All right. So what's she got to do first? Oh, first we got to get air in this machine. Now the fun part. Breaking the bead. It's going to be fun or not. For me, it's not. Middle lever. Wrong one. Yep, there we go. So far, so good. I guess when I put these on, I did a good job. It's coming off.
Should I do this side here too?
Yeah, if it's not broken. Coming
Probably
off so
is.
nice and easy, so. Yep. Alright. Don't need that on. We got enough air in the tank.
You should show this side.
Oh, I guess I could. Okay, so far so good. Go around to the other, go around to there. Just make sure it's off all the way around. I don't know if it is. I think it's off. All right, next the other fun stuff. All right, 17-inch rim. Was the last thing I used on here 17-inch rim? You had to go down slightly more on here.
That's why I have you here.
Mm-hmm. All right, so far so good. Now, get all this pushed down around. Use the bar. There we go. There we go. Okay. Yeah, and you go in like that. I know, she's done tires before, so she knows what she's doing. She just needs to give her a little bit of a hand every once in a while. It is plugged in, so you can hit the, yep, that's the one. Yep. Nope. Didn't get her over the, let me push this down. Go.
Nope, it's not over it.
It's not over it yet. It's good enough. Keep the bar right there. There we go. Now the hard part. The inside. I may have to give her a hand here quickly. All right, back to the action. Oh, there we go. Got that off.
Pain.
Oh, wasn't it though? It was a pain, but you got her done.
Well, no, only half.
Yeah, we're only half done so far. So the lovely wife is going to put some tire bead sealant on the rims without spilling any on her rims. Not sure about that.
On here? Right
Yes, up in the groove. Oh, that's close enough.
Not there? Right here?
Yes. Get goops of it. Just goop it in there. Just spread her all around in there. Why didn't we goop it that much in that spot? Oh my word, it's all over my machine now. Ask a wife to do something, and it ends up everywhere. Oh well. It's only goop. It'll wear off in time. So that's what she's doing right now. Well, let's see how good this goes. After I get my wife back here.
He's taking a bead off my house.
Yep, sure. Hit the rotational button. I have it set up for you to go. Now it gets technical. But I think she might remember this. Nope, she doesn't.
What?
I'll have to show her again. Okay, we got it on without your help. I needed to help her, and I couldn't hold the camera either. So, I didn't feel like setting up the tripod.
Another day.
So, bring this around
Who's going to?
like this. Get your air. And now she's thinking, where's the air? Where's the air? What'd you do with it? That doesn't work that way. Okay, time for the air.
Oh, what? The question we are asking?
What's the question?
What color should I paint my rims? The car is blue.
She wants different colored rims on her car.
I said black, but he said every other car is black, so he doesn't want that.
Nope. I like silver. These make her car look really stunning. She hates the pop.
Not that pop.
Oh. Let's get her reaction.
It's not coming up. It's already at 35.
Yep. Keep going. It's coming.
Holy crap!
Okay.
Oh, that stunk.
The tire popping stunk.
You stink.
Okay, now you gotta get your valves in here. Wow, that took 45 to get that to pop. Don't you hate low profile tires? I do. I hate balancing them too. Oh, do you want help here?
Yeah.
Hey, get her ready. Didn't need that come shooting out at me at 100 miles an hour.
That's why you should have backed away.
Oh. Holy smokes. You're at the perfect for what they're supposed to be in the back. 32. There you go. You're good. How
Why
did
does
you
it
do
keep
that?
moving?
Because it's in between 32.5 and 32.4. Wow. She did good there.
Yeah. Trying to scare the
But
daylights
now she's got to balance it. Here comes the fun stuff. I didn't bring the scale home.
What?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I used it at work.
No! That scale belongs here.
I'll have to get another scale. Don't worry.
That's what you keep saying.
I know, but I always forget. Bump. Well, here we go. See if she remembers how to do this. I'm hoping she does.
Right there? Because
Yeah.
I would have thought it would have had a lip on it. I can't read it.
Oh.
And this one's under the lip.
Yep. You can pull it closer to you.
I still can't read it.
It says 8.
Okay, well, I don't have the right glasses on.
It says 8.
So the middle is 8.
Yes.
And it's a 17.
Yes.
As I was listening.
And
That
now,
seems off.
we have to do the ones here for how we're balancing. So we're doing on the edge, on the inside, and inside the tire on the other side. So that one will be, oops, hit the wrong one. That will be number 2 on this one. So there we go.
Is that correct? 2.5 for this? Seems gonna.
2.5. There you go. So we're doing it so far so good. Oh, I hope so.
You hope so.
How straight does it look? Looks pretty out to me, but it's only 30/20, so that ain't bad.
For now.
She says for now. So you got to find a 30 on the inside. So that's a weight we put on the right here.
Yeah, but without a weight scale, it's kind of hard.
No, it ain't. They say the numbers on them. You know that.
It doesn't all the time.
Make sure you use an aluminum one. I can't tell what that says.
You said it says it on it. Why can't you tell what it is if you
Because
say we're on it?
You calm down.
This is a no number 45.
Oh, okay.
Really again? What ducks here?
What about ducks?
You're coming off of you.
I didn't duck.
Ducks on
I did not duck this time.
Sort of sounded like you ducked.
Okay. There we go. She probably wind up hitting her finger. No comment.
It's crap you give me.
This is normal stuff.
No wonder it doesn't work. It has a rubber hand on
Well,
it.
yeah, it's supposed to, so it doesn't smash the...
It's crap.
There we go. We found her little hammer.
It's not going on.
Would you like me to put it on?
Fine.
It went on for me. Now we used a sticky 20, and now we have to spin her again. And what will happen?
50, 80.
Probably. Yeah, you sure can't see that thing's so bent. 30, 45. Sure. I knew it was going to be like this with a bent rim. But we will get it sort of right.
This is the crappy one, isn't it?
Yes. Oh, I'm sorry I didn't film that, but she actually got one on.
Actually? Wow.
Oh, I meant you gracefully got one on. Is that what I meant? What a shaker of a rim. Well,
30 on the outside.
sure, we'll do 30 on the outside. We'll get her, because this rim is bent, and we'll get her. We'll get her. I would take it in to get the rim straightened, but I'll wait till this tire wears out. And she yells at me. Okay, 30.
So a 20 and a 10?
Do I have a 20?
We have lots of 20s.
Right. What are these? I don't know what these are.
Well, let's read it.
I can't read it.
This is it says 1/4 ounce.
Quarter ounce, you say?
It's 1/4 ounce on both sides.
Oh, okay.
Because it's just
So
probably gonna
we're saying good enough.
because it's gonna
It
probably
looks
be on the
just
same side.
fine to me. Thing is, the tire will roll, and that's the best part. Now, she's got to put it back on the car. I'm not filming that. But thanks for watching. This was
Pretty much on the same side.
lots and lots of fun.
Oh,
You can